In this video, I'm going to show you how to play a basic Bossa Nova pattern. We're going to start with our D minor bar chord here at the 5th fret, except I'm going to bar all 6 strings with my first finger, so just lay them flat over all the strings. Then I'm going to add my 2nd finger to the 2nd string 6th fret, and my 3rd finger to the 4th string 7th fret, and there's my D minor shape. This is a fingerstyle pattern, so I'm only going to use my thumb, first, middle, and ring. No pinky and no pick in this one. My thumb is going to alternate between the 5th string and the 6th string, and that's your root 5th movement. Root of the chord, 5th of the chord, which is D to the A note. Then I'm going to use my other fingers to do a pinch. Pinch meaning all 3 fingers at the same time. My index finger is going to be on the 4th string, my middle finger is going to be on the 3rd string, and then my ring finger is going to be on the 2nd string. I'm not going to play the 1st string at all for this particular lesson. So the pattern is going to sound like this. It's a 2-bar pattern that's going to loop over and over again. So we're going to start with the thumb on the 5th string, then I'm going to pluck the 3 notes. Then my thumb's going to move to the 6th string. I'm going to pluck it again. And then I'm going to hold it just a little bit, and then I'll pluck it again one more time on the and a 4. So it's like, that's the first bar. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Then bar 2 is going to sound like this. So it's going to start off the same, plucking the 5th string. Then I'm going to pinch the strings again, 2, 3, and 4, and then I'm going to pinch them again. So the rhythm is going to go 1 and 2 and then 6th string on beat 3 and then pinch on beat 4. So just bar 2 is going to sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So if I do the 2 bars together, it's going to sound like this: 3 and. And that's the whole pattern. Join with me. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. Here we go. And that's it. This is your basic pattern. You just loop that over and over again, even if you go to different chords. Now that's a little slow, so a little Bossa Nova would be a little bit faster than that. So more like this: 3 and. If you want to make it a samba, you could do the same thing to speed it up. So there's your basic Bossa Nova pattern using the D minor chord.